You have gained so much knowledge and you feel that your knowledge is definitely one of the best among the peers in your organization. And you have put so much efforts helping the organization grow. But at the end of the day, you feel dejected because the organization is not recognizing your knowledge and your effort adequately. Let me tell you, the height of success is not just a factor of depth of your knowledge, but also based on the strength of your connection. Theodore Roosevelt said, people don't care how much you know unless they know how much you care. Please join me in a workshop based on Dr. John Maxwell's great book, Everybody Communicates, Few Connect, giving you 5 principles of establishing strong connections and 5 practices that will help you to strengthen the connections even further. The details of the workshop are there in this mail or in this post. Please register on the link given below and reserve your seat today. Thank you.